Okay, let's talk about this again, as it is that important. People combine the wrong foods, starches and proteins, together all the time. It's part of the reason why obesity is soaring. Studies show improperly combined food does not digest well. It sits too long in the stomach and intestines. If fermentation occurs, alcohol is produced in the digestive tract and liver damage can occur, or fatty liver. This is about respecting the limits of human digestion. Remember, digestion requires more energy than any other body activity. Proteins like meats require an acid digestive juice, where starches like pasta require an alkaline digestive juice. So if you wrongly combine a starch with a protein, the stomach begins secreting digestive juices that get neutralized. More and more digestive juices are made, requiring lots of energy to do so, and the food is partially undigested. If you combine foods properly, it takes less energy. What can proper food combining do for you? How about losing 10 pounds in 10 days while still eating great? Yes, for those who need it, it is that powerful. If you want a starch like pasta, bread, or a potato topped with other items, eat one of these as a whole separate meal with vegetables and a salad, but no other concentrated food. A typical meal would be like chicken with vegetables and a salad, or pasta with vegetables and a salad. So you eat the foods you like, you just don't eat them all at the same time. In general, do not combine two proteins, but you can combine two starches, although this is probably good to avoid because it requires more digestive energy. As an example, if you can properly digest your food in 3 hours instead of it taking 8 or longer, you're freeing up 5 hours of energy. This freed up energy can be employed for your body's detoxification and weight loss. Always look to have high water content food, like vegetables, in your meals. Typically, you could add in cooked vegetables in a raw salad. Now remember that anything cooked over 130 degrees loses vital enzymes, so raw salads are great. As people figure out the health cost of eating meat, the trend will now be towards eating more plant-based and away from animal products. Many people will still want flesh foods. So to lessen the impact, if you still want meat, eat one flesh or concentrated food per meal. Do not eat this meat with potatoes, rice, bread, noodles, or cheese. Now, a potato is a vegetable, but a cooked potato loses water, by the way. So instead, you want to combine high water content food with a meat, like a salad and some broccoli with your steak, etc. In the final analysis, we're saying it is better to eat an item all by itself or with vegetables rather than combining it improperly and then not digesting it fully, with the process taking lots of time and energy that is diverted from the elimination process. Studies show proteins mixed with starches lead to undigested food. You don't want that. So if you do combine improper foods, consider using digestive enzymes or apple cider vinegar to aid your stomach. But it's better to just separate out these foods into their own meals.